Today also we discuss some question of factorization. Some questions like number 1, uh, this is x minus 2y whole square plus 4x minus 8y. In this type of children, first we take the common. So what I can write 4x minus 8y as, you can see, it is x minus 2y whole square plus 4x minus 2y. So how you can segregate? Here x minus 2y into x minus 2y, and here it is 4 into x minus 2y. So we can take 1x minus 2y from both the terms. So we will get x minus 2y in this place, because 1x minus 2y we have taken common. So only 1x minus 2y remain over here, and it is equal to 4. So this can be equal to what? X minus 2y, and in another bracket x minus 2y plus 4. Okay. Now similarly we can do the second question also. Here it is x square minus xz plus xy minus yz. Again here children, 4 terms are there. So we can see whether I can take these 2 terms as in pair and these 2 terms are in pair. And we will see the result, what is the common term in between. So here we can see, you can see children, x is common. So this can be written as x minus z. Because 1x from here and 1x from here I have taken the common. So 1 remain x here and z remains over here. Similarly, what I can take common here is y. So here it is x and here it is z. So this can be written as this, and now x minus z is common in both the terms. So we can take x minus z common, and here x remains and here y remains. So it is x minus z plus into x plus y. Again this question is like this children, ab square plus a minus 1 b minus 1. So first of all we open this bracket. So here it is ab square, I have make it remain over there, ab minus b minus 1, and then I take the pair of 2. So here I can take common ab, so there is in the bracket b, and here 1 will remain. Similarly there is no common term, so I will take minus 1 common, so b and 1. So this can be written as b plus 1 common from both the terms, so b plus 1 in one bracket and other bracket ab minus 1. Now similarly we can do the other questions also. One more question. Similarly we can discuss this question also children, ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. As you can see, we cannot find any common factors between them. So first of all what I will do, I will expand this. So ax ka whole square is a square x square, by whole square is b square y square. Here it is 2ax by. Similarly I can expand this, b square x square plus a square y square minus 2bx ay. Now when I solve it, so this and this will be eliminated. So only I get this 4 terms, a square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. Now here we have to reshuffle, rearrange the terms. So what I can do is I can rearrange. I will put these 2 terms together. Or you can do one more thing. The common thing, like here a square is common, so I can put these 2 terms. Either you can do a square x square and b square x square together and can take x square common. Either of the way you can do. So I am taking a square x square and a square y square together. Similarly here b square y square and b square x square. This is a square I have taken common, so remaining in the bracket a x square plus y square, and here I have taken b square common, so it is x square plus y square. So this is x square plus y square and a square plus b square. This is the final answer. Now we will discuss some factorization based on the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. See children, like I have to factorize 49x square minus 64y square. As you can see this 49x square is square of 7x. So I can write it 7x complete square. Similarly, here 64y can be written as 8y whole square. Now this resembles to a square minus b square. Then I put the formula 7x plus 8y in the first bracket and 7x minus 8y in the second bracket. Okay. Similarly, one more question. Y square minus 121. As you can easily see, this is y square and here it is 11 square. So this is y plus 11 in one bracket and y minus 11 in other bracket. Now this question, 63a square minus 112b square. As you can see, 63 is not a perfect square of anything and 112 is also not a perfect square. So I will check whether any common term I can retrieve from this or not. So 63 can be written as 7 into 9 and here it is written as 7 into 16. So yes, we can take 7 as common. So I will take 7 common. So this is 9a square minus 16b square. Now this can be written as 7 3a complete square minus 4b complete square. So this is equal to 3a minus 4b and 3a plus 4b. Okay. Similarly, we can do this question also. Here it is 1 minus b minus c square. So 1 can be written as a square of 1 square and b minus c is square of b minus c. So it can be written as 1 plus b minus c in one bracket and 1 minus b minus c in other bracket. So this is equal to 1 plus b minus c and 1 minus b plus c. Okay. Similarly, we can do this for question also. Here it is L plus m plus L minus m in one group and L plus m minus L minus m in other group. Now solve. L plus m plus L minus m. And here so this is equal to 2L into 2m. This is equal to 4LM. This is the factorization. Right, children? Now here you can see x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now to this type of question, children, we have to convert this into a square minus b square. So how can we do? X square we can remain over here and now I can take minus as common here. So this can be written as y square plus 2y plus 1 and 1 can be written as 1 square. So this can be written as x square minus y minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to x plus y minus 1 in one bracket and in another bracket x minus y minus 1. So this is equal to x plus y minus 1 and x minus y plus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can do this. As you can see, this is the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. What we have to do is we will take minus as common. Then this can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is 5 square minus a plus b whole square. So this can be written as 5 plus a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket 5 minus a plus b. 5 plus a plus b and 5 minus a minus b.